Hi, my name is Jennifer Lee. I'm a nurse practitioner with New Hope Wellness Center, the clinical arm of Guiding Right Incorporated. I'm going to talk to you today about the different types of HIV tests. The first test I will go over is the HIV-1 and HIV-2 antibody test. This is a one-time use rapid test which detects antibodies to human immunodeficiency virus type 1 and type 2 using a drop of human fingerstick blood. These tests are used on-site and can give you results within 10 minutes. If you are unable to make it to our office, we provide in-home tests which you can use from the comfort of your own home. This type of test can detect HIV if the exposure was 24 to 30 days before testing. Depending on the timing of exposure, it may be necessary to have multiple tests over time or a more sensitive test. The antigen and antibody test looks for both HIV antibodies and antigens. Antibodies are produced by your immune system when you're exposed to viruses like HIV. Antigens are foreign substances that cause your immune system to activate. If you have HIV, an antigen called P24 is produced even before antibodies develop. This test can detect HIV if the exposure was 18 days before testing. As mentioned earlier, it may be necessary to have multiple tests over time or a more sensitive test depending on the time of exposure. The NAT test, which stands for nucleic acid test, is a test that looks for the actual virus in the blood and involves drawing blood from a vein. The test can either tell if a person has HIV or tell how much virus is present in the blood, also known as the HIV viral load test. The NAT test is the most sensitive and can detect HIV if the exposure was as recent as 7 days prior to testing. Now you will hear from my colleague, the President and CEO of Guiding Right, Theo Noel.
Hi, my name is Theodore Noel. I'm the President and CEO of Guiding Right Incorporated. As mentioned earlier, in-home HIV test kits are also available. Although you take these tests from the comfort of your own home, we are available to walk you through every step of the process. Here's how our in-home test kit works. First, we mail you the in-home HIV test kit. Next, we'll call you to make sure you actually receive the test kit. When you take the test, our caring team of healthcare providers are available to walk you through the steps over the phone. We will then go over your test results. We can even send out a case manager to confirm the test results and go over the next steps. You are our primary concern. We want to make sure that you feel safe, comfortable, and confident with your test results. If you test positive, we will then connect you with a qualified medical care provider to get you started on your treatment options within 48 hours of diagnosis. If your results are negative, we can still connect you with a healthcare provider to talk about the best options available in preventative care. Please keep in mind that testing services are confidential, with one exception. Positive results are reported to the Oklahoma State Department of Health, since HIV is a reportable disease as set forth by state guidelines. Then and only then will information be shared with the respected entity. The health department would track positive results by contacting you in person or by phone.
Thank you. I'm Jennifer Lee from Guiding Right's New Hope Wellness Center. Come see us.
Thank you from Theodore Noel, President and CEO of Guiding Right. We'll look forward to caring for you.